Guys, now we're going to learn how to make file an IFR flight plan on ForeFlight. So we'll start up here on the map page in the flight plan. We'll set in where we want to go. So let's say we're going to Hot Springs. Up here on the left, we'll select the aircraft profile and then the altitude. So we're going westerly, so let's say that we pick 8,000. The routes here on the right can be very helpful to look at because ForeFlight tells you what routes have been cleared over the last month or so, what type of aircraft and how many times it was cleared. So we can see that the direct is what has been cleared the most. So we're just going to select direct, add that to our route, and then estimated time of departure. Let's put today at 1800 Zulu. Then we're going to come down to this share symbol, send it to flights. And now we have a bunch of information that comes up. We're just going to look through it. So our estimated time of departure, we need to file at least 30 minutes before. So let's say we're departing at, 1820. If the departure time changes more than 2 hours, then you need to update it. We've got our departure, destination, an alternate if we need it, which let's say that we do. So we can pick, let's put Richmond in as our alternate. Actually, that doesn't look like a great one today, but well, Greenbrier Valley looks VFR, so we'll add that. Normally you'd put a little more thought into your alternate, but we're just trying to make an example here. Then your aircraft, so 20376. Flight rules, double check that it's IFR under flight rules. The route is direct, cruise altitude 8,000, arrival FBO, and fuel release. We don't need that. Fuel at shutdown, you would just put whatever your fuel at shutdown would be, let's say 20 in gallons. Then you're going to proceed to file, and you're going to look through this information. So ICAO, IFR, general aviation, the aircraft, the departure airport is Charlottesville, the time, which 1820, that's fine. People on board, typically it's going to be 2, so we can adjust that. Our route is direct, altitude 8,000, time and route, we can adjust that as well if needed. And fuel on board, we'll say that we have about 4 hours of fuel on board. Remarks, we don't need anything here unless we do want to put some remarks in. Destination is Hot Springs. We got our alternate. We don't need to fill in anything else. Emergency, we don't need that. And then the pilot information, which I won't show, but you put in your CFI's information here. And then you would hit file. Obviously, I'm not going to file this now, but then you would just select file flight plan, and that'll file the flight plan for you.